Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Mr. Zaman and here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Emotional blunting caused by common antidepressants explained in new study. Scientists have worked out why common antidepressants cause around half of users to feel emotionally blunted. In a study published recently, they show that drugs affect reinforcement learning, an important behavioral process that allows us to learn from our environment. A team led by researchers at the University of Cambridge in collaboration with the University of Copenhagen recruited healthy volunteers and administered escitalopram, an SSRI known to be one of the best tolerated, over several weeks, and assessing the impact of the drug had on their performance on a suite of cognitive tests. New genetic disorder that causes susceptibility to opportunistic infections revealed in new study. An international consortium has discovered a new genetic disorder that causes immunodeficiency and profound susceptibility to opportunistic infections, including a life-threatening fungal pneumonia. The error in this case is of inborn error of immunity, or IEI, is a mutation in the gene for the protein IRF4, a transcription factor that is pivoted for the development and function of B and T white blood cells as well as other immune cells. New mechanism for MRSA virulence discovered. Researchers at Mount Sinai, in collaboration with researchers at New York University, have published a study that sheds light on the mechanism behind the severity or virulence of methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, or MRSA, bloodstream infections. The study reveals that MRSA has undergone repeated mutations in the SARS-Z gene, a transcriptional regulator responsible for regulating virulence gene expression, leading to increased severity of bloodstream infections in mouse models. In the study, the researchers leveraged the recent introduction of USA 300 into hospitals and its limited genetic variation to find mutations that contribute to its success in a new environment. The researchers found that USA 300 infections exhibit altered virulence regulation. Using comparative genomics, they found the genes involved in this phenotype and discovered repeated and independent mutations in the transcriptional regulator SARS-Z. These mutations resulted in increased virulence of USA 300 BSI isolates in a mouse model of BSI. The SARS-Z mutations resulted in increased expression and production of the surface protein CLFB, which was shown to be critical for the pathogenesis of USA 300 BSI isolates. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.